Hello YouTubers, how are you doing today? Today is the 18th day of June 2025 and it has been a choppy day so far. The Iranian and Israeli war is doing a mess to our beloved chart. The charts do not lie, so it has been a choppy day so far. You know, the best thing to do as a trader right now is to align yourself with what is happening globally and not be greedy. You can go for your regular 2 to 1 risk reward, 3 to 1 risk reward at most. Please do not do more than that because the Israeli and Iranian war is doing a whole lot of damage to traders, and you are really going to get yourself hurt if you do not consider that while trading. Okay, so what I'm about to show you here is how I look at the chart, and that is what my YouTube channel is all about. I am going to teach you the same thing, my strategy, over and over again until you get a hold of it and you are able to make money from the market. So I'm actually going to point out a few things from the chart. Today is FOMC meeting. If you don't know where you can get your forex calendar, you can do that from forexfactory.com. That is my favorite news calendar. So there is news from 7 p.m. There is news from 7 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Forex Factory is my favorite forex calendar, and you can see that there is a high impact news 7 p.m. West African time. So federal funds rate, FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, and FOMC press conference. And you can imagine, even with four high impact news in the market was still choppy. So that is to tell you that this war is doing a whole lot of damage to both traders and the economy at large. What I'm trying to show you now is how I look at the chart and how you will know where the market is going. Okay, so today is not a very good day to trade. I am looking at the 1 hour chart right now, and this is what we have here. If you are looking at this ox blood line on my chart, it is my previous day close line, this one right here, and you can put it on your chart. Okay, if you want to have your previous day close line on your chart, you can right click anywhere on your chart and go to settings. From your settings, you click on scales and lines, and you see previous day close here under the symbol and on top of indicators and financials. So once you activate that, you will have that value here. The reason why I have that value there is because the previous day close is a very strong magnet in the chart. Yes, because the reason why I like the previous day close on my chart is because price normally uses it as a point of reference. When it is broken on a very good market day to the downside, it acts as resistance when price returns to that level, and when it is broken to the upside, it acts as support and price continues to go to the upside. So that is how you can put your previous day close line on the chart. So the next big question now is, where is the chart likely to go? I like to show you guys in every video what a relative equal high and low is, because that is where I like to call the gravity of the market. Okay, so looking at, let me take us back to the 1 hour chart so that you can understand what I am saying. So quickly I am going to draw out the skeleton of a relative equal low to show you what it looks like when you are expecting price to take out liquidity from the downside. Okay, I like to show this in every video so that you can come to my YouTube channel and go back with at least the knowledge of knowing where market is likely to go to. So this is the relative equal low. Equal low. So why is it a relative equal low? It is a relative equal low because price has not taken out this major liquidity, and it is more like price is hanging with one leg here, and the rest of the price action is just sitting above it without any liquidity taken from this low. So a relative equal low is just like a low that gives you this kind of curve right here. So as you can see, this is a weak leg. You can call it a weak leg and assume that the market is standing on one leg. Okay, so on my 1 hour chart, I am quickly going to indicate where the market has a relative equal low. So as you can see right here, this is a relative equal low. This is a relative equal low. This is a relative equal low because this low is actually weak and this leg has not come to disturb this low, and it is a perfect illustration of what I have down here. So if you look well, you will see that to the left there is also another relative equal low here, because the market has not gravitated to this point in price, and it is also a weak low. And if you zoom out a little bit, you will see a major pool of liquidity right here. Oh my god, I think BTC is getting ready for a very huge dip, so to say. So this is what it looks like to have a relative equal low on your chart. Alright, so I think I should move this from here, and also move this for you. So I think BTC is actually going to gravitate to this point in price. We are probably going to see BTC below 100k again, and it will be a good point in price to start looking for your buy positions. Okay, so guys, whenever you see a chart and you are expecting price to go to the downside, please consider to check this structure in price, these lows, to know whether there is an undisturbed low that is yet to be attacked. You don't want to be taking buy positions when you have an open low locking buy to your point of entry or your point of buying. You have to wait for the market to do everything it wants to do before you can take your buy positions. And the next thing to do is to know the trading time that suits you best. My favorite trading time is New York morning session. Okay, and my favorite setup to trade is inversion fair value gaps. Guys, see what the market is actually doing. It is ranging a lot, and I haven't even taken any trades today because there was no clear setup by 9:30 a.m. New York time. So if you are taking setups by 9:30, you have to be very careful. Okay, I will look for my setups tomorrow morning, New York time, 9:30, and I will dedicate another video to show you exactly how I take my trades during this time. And that is the only thing you are going to be seeing most of the times on my YouTube channel, because that is what I leverage on. That is the constant that I have, the time that I trade in the market. So guys, what am I trying to say? I am trying to say that you can change your life with only one A plus trade every day, with only one model every day, and only one session every day. And as a trader, your topmost priority is to aim for quality over quantity. Okay, there is no need of taking more than one trade a day when you know that your trading time is New York morning session, 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. New York time. All right, so if you have not set your chart time to New York time, please remember that you have to set your chart to New York morning session time, no matter where you are in the world, in order to key into the pool of liquidity that comes with trading the morning session. And the best way to do that on your chart is to locate this time bar on the bottom right of your trading view interface. So if you click on it, you are going to see a whole lot of time. So this is where you have to set it. Put your chart to New York time, UTC -4, so that you can actually time your trades with the New York trading time. So guys, in my next video, I am going to show you exactly how I trade the New York morning session and how I wait for my setups, and the holy grail of trading the New York morning session. Okay, so I believe you have gotten one or two useful infos from this video. Alright, so don't be like the other traders that come into the chart blindly to lose money. Alright, that is pure gambling. There is no need for gambling and throwing away your hard-earned money or losing your hard-earned money to the market. So I believe that I have been able to cover a few points here. I have been able to tell you how the war has affected the chart so far, and how the FOMC meeting didn't have much impact on the chart because of the war. And also I've also showed you how to put your previous day close on the chart and how to use it to frame your buyers. Okay, and I've also showed you what a relative equal low looks like and the work of a relative equal low and how to look at it in the market. And I've also showed you how to set your trading view time to New York trading time. So guys, I think that will be all for this video. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section and I will be there to assist you the best that I can. Alright, please share this video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I am begging you to subscribe so that I can continue to be motivated and dish out value to struggling traders out there. I hope you have found this video insightful, and I will see you guys in the next video. It's HyperFX and I'm signing out right now. Guys, stay safe, don't over leverage and don't over trade. Bye bye.